This explanation is about our G1PRO, a tri-proof walkie-talkie product. Point 1. Charging. First, let's take up a device, press the power button for 3 seconds to start it, and take a look at the product appearance. Turn over and you can see a 3mm headphone jack on the top, which we can use with headphones in a noisy environment. Turn over again, you can see the Type-C charging interface. We put it on the power. Say, the power indicator in the display is changing dynamically. It means it is charging. When it is fully charged, it will stop changing. There are also 2 metal dots at the bottom of the device, which correspond to 2 metal top pins of the charging dock for charging. Turn over the charging dock, you will see the same Type-C interface. Put the device facing the logo into the dock, and one dock can charge 2 devices. When charging, the indicator on the dock will light up red, one indicator corresponding to one product. When the device is fully charged, it will light up green. Point 2. Key annotations. This picture explains the buttons and interfaces of the product as a whole. You can take a look at what buttons we have and what functions they correspond to. Is very important. It is helpful for us to take a look at it often and understand the following explanation better. Point 3. Volume adjustment. Based on the button diagram, you should have a general understanding of how to adjust the volume. You can directly press the volume, plus or volume buttons to adjust the volume. This product has a total of 7 volume levels, allowing you to choose your comfortable volume for use. Point 4. Channel selection. Press the menu button once, and the large numbers on the display will start to flash, indicating that we can adjust the channel number. Press the Select plus Volume, plus or Select Volume buttons to adjust the channel number. Alternatively, you can press and hold the Select button to fast forward or rewind. You can see that this product has a total of 22 channels, providing multiple choices to prevent number confusion. After selecting your preferred channel, press the PTT button to exit channel selection mode. Point 5. Encryption code. Press the menu button twice, and the small numbers on the display will start to flash, indicating that we can adjust the encryption code. This product has a total of 99 encryption codes, of which 1 to 38 are core CSS codes and 39 to 99 are DCS codes. The encryption code is used to encrypt the channel, increasing privacy and preventing number confusion. After selecting an encryption code, press the PTT button to exit the encryption code selection mode. Point 6. Voice control mode. Press the menu button 3 times, and you will see the Vox icon appear on the display, with the large digital number beginning to blink. This indicates that we can adjust the voice control sensitivity. Indicates that the voice control mode is off, and there are 3 modes of voice control mode sensitivity. This should be adjusted according to personal needs. Press the PTT button to exit the function mode. The Vox voice control mode is hands-free mode, so you don't need to press the PTT button, and can directly transmit signals to the other party. Situation display. When the voice control mode is on, the Vox icon will continue to display.
Hello Jenny, do you have night plans this weekend?
Well, I'm not plans with this regarding this weekend.
Point 7. Ringtone selection. Press the menu button 4 times, and you will see the large digital number change to CA, while the small digital number starts to blink. At this time, you can adjust the ringtone. There are 10 different ringtones available, so you can choose your favorite one. Press the PTT button to exit. Point 8. Keypad sound switching. Press the menu button 5 times, and you will see the large digital number change to EO, while the small digital number changes to on or off and starts to blink. This indicates that you have entered the keypad sound switching mode. Select on or off to turn on or off the keypad sound. After turning off the keypad sound, there will be no sound when pressing the buttons. After turning on the keypad sound, you can hear the beep sound every time you press a button. Point 9. End of intercom sound switching. Press the menu button 6 times, and you will see the large digital number change to row, while the small digital number changes to on or off and starts to blink. This indicates that you have entered the end of intercom sound switching mode. Select on or off to turn on or off the end of intercom sound. After turning on the end of intercom sound, the intercom will make a beep sound when the conversation ends. After turning off the end of intercom sound, there will be no sound when the conversation ends. Point 10. Vibration mode. Press the menu bar 7 times, and the display will show a bell icon. The large digital will change to on or off and start to blink, which means the vibration switch mode is on. Choose on or off to turn on or off the vibration mode. After turning on, when there is a message arrival, the walkie-talkie will remind us through vibration. Point 11. High and low power. This time, you need to press the menu bar 8 times, which is the last menu bar function on the display. The large number changes to PO, high or low icon and starts to blink, which means entering the high and low power selection mode. Press the select button to choose among them. High power is to watt, with a longer transmission distance and a wide signal coverage, but it consumes electricity quickly. On the other hand, low power uses a power of 1/2 watt, with a relatively short transmission distance and a general signal coverage, but the advantage is that it consumes less electricity and has a long standby time. In general, low power is enough for most uses. It should be noted that channels 1 to 7 and 15 to 22 have high divided by low power selection, while channels 8 to 14 only have low power and no high power. Point 12. Scan mode. Press the Scan divided by Monitor button briefly, and the display will show the scan icon. The large and small digital numbers will start to change, indicating that all product transmission information within the transmission range will be received, and the channel number of the received information will be locked. Scan mode can only lock the channel, not the privacy code number. If you don't want to be disturbed by others scanning, setting a privacy code is a good choice. This mode is generally used for outdoor assistance. Point 13. Monitoring mode. Press the Scan divided by Monitor button for 3 seconds without releasing. Continue to hold down the button, and the display will show the signal tower icon in the receiving state, indicating that you have entered the monitor mode. In this mode, you can listen to the other party's speech, but be sure not to release the Monday button to exit this mode. Release the Monday button. This mode is generally used when the other party's signal is weak, unstable, or intermittent.
Jenny, please help me pick up the package.
Point 14. Keypad lock. Press and hold the call button for 3 seconds. You will hear a beep sound, and the display will show a key icon, indicating that the keyboard is locked. At this point, pressing the selection button, menu button, Scan divided by Monitor button will not respond. Only the call function works, and pressing the PTT button can talk. You can't modify channel, privacy code and other function settings to prevent accidental operation. Press and hold the button for 3 seconds again to unlock the system. The icon will disappear.